We were getting ready for Maiana, a simple trip, a family plan, smiles ahead, a birthday waiting. Never knew what life had in hand. At home in Teaoraereke, under quiet, heavy skies, Nei left us that night, and sorrow filled our lives. The room went quiet, the air stood still. We held each other, fighting tears, never knowing our little boy was facing all our fears. Oh, Ereata, Tamuera, our precious son, our precious son. Your time was short, but your love lives on. Love lives on. Tamuera Nei Kiboboua held you tight, held you tight, praying together through the longest night. We had dreams we wanted you to see, but heaven called you suddenly. Days went by with family near, trying hard to stand up strong. Late that night, you couldn't breathe. Something felt so wrong. Your mother cried, I called your name. Fear was written in your eyes. Mola said, we must go now. As we drove into the night, your smile lives on in every